Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching me from. This is Good Health, Good Life, a channel where I am promoting healthy living by sharing with you the health benefits of the herbs and also sharing with you healthy living tips. I keep reminding you that the herbs have been created for us to use as medicines, and I believe the only way for you to use them is to have knowledge about them. So be part of this amazing family where I'll be taking you through how to use the herbs effectively for the treatment and prevention of medical conditions. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be notified to watch. Like the video and share on all your social media handles. In this bowl, I have 1 tablespoon of cloves. 1 tablespoon of cloves. I will be taking you through how to use the clove to prepare tea and use it for the treatment of all inflammatory issues. So watch the video to the end as I take you through the process. So in the preparation of the clove tea or the anti-inflammatory tea, I'm going to transfer my cloves into another container which has lid on it, and I'm going to boil 1 liter of water. I'm going to boil 1 liter of water, which I will then add to my cloves. So my water is ready. So very quickly, let me transfer the water onto the clove. So that is it, and I'm going to cover the container with a lid and wait for it for about 20 to 25 minutes. Alright, so after 25 minutes, my clove tea is ready. Drink 300 ml of the clove tea every morning and evening, and make sure before you drink it, warm it before drinking it. Morning and evening, 300 ml. Thank you so much for watching this amazing video. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and bless your friends and family with this video by sharing it with them. Until I see you in the next one, make sure you eat lots of fruits and vegetables, exercise on daily basis, and visit the hospital on regular basis to know your health status. Peace.